Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about deficiency diseases due to the lack of vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are needed by our body in small amount, but they are must to protect ourselves from different diseases. So let us discuss one by one. First of all, we will discuss about vitamin A. The lack of vitamin A in our body leads to a deficiency disease, loss of vision. That is the loss of vision. And the symptoms of this disease are sometimes completely loss of vision, sometimes loss of vision in the night, and sometimes poor vision. So, these are the symptoms of the deficiency disease, loss of vision. Now next one is vitamin B1. Yes, vitamin B1. Due to the lack of vitamin B1 in a diet for a long period of time can cause a disease beriberi. And the symptoms of this disease are weak nerves and muscles. The weak muscles and nerves are the symptoms of the beriberi. Now, next one is the vitamin C. Vitamin C, due to the lack of vitamin C in our diet, leads to a disease scurvy. It leads to a disease scurvy. And what are the symptoms of these scurvy? First is your bleeding gums. Your bleeding gums, and there is a wounds take longer time to heal. Means there is a bleeding gum and the wounds take longer time to heal up. Now next one is your vitamin D. Due to the lack of vitamin D in our body, there is a disease rickets. There is a disease rickets, and the symptoms of this disease are there is a weak bones. It is the weak bones that can easily bend. Weak bones that can easily bend. So there are the different vitamins due to which different diseases can be there. Due to the lack of vitamin A, loss of vision. Due to the lack of vitamin B1, beriberi. Due to the lack of vitamin C, scurvy. And due to the lack of vitamin D, rickets. Good morning everyone. Now we will discuss about various minerals which are needed for our body and the deficiency diseases due to lack of these minerals in our body. So first of all, we will discuss about calcium. Yes, calcium, it is needed for strong bones and teeth. And if there is a lack of calcium in our body, it's lead to weak bones and tooth decay. Weak bones and tooth decay due to the lack of calcium in a diet for a long period. And the symptoms of this diseases are, first of all, your bones, there is a weak bones and decay tooth. Okay, so we should take the food which is rich in calcium. Now, the next one is phosphorus. Next one is phosphorus. Again the same. Due to the lack of phosphorus in our body, there is again weak bones and tooth decay. And the same symptoms like the calcium, there is the bones becomes very weak and there is a decay of the tooth. Now the next minerals which is must for our body is iodine. Yes, iodine. Due to the lack of iodine in our body for a long time can causes the disease goiter. And what are the symptoms of this disease? It is the swelling of the thyroid gland. Swelling of the thyroid gland in our neck. in our neck there is a thyroid gland. So due to the lack of iodine in our body, there is a swelling of thyroid gland in our neck. Now the next one is your iron. The next mineral which is must for your body, which is must to protect you from different diseases, is iron. The lack of iron in our body leads to a disease, anemia. Leads to a disease, anemia. Anemia means lack of the red blood cells in our body, and the symptoms is weakness. If anyone is suffering from the anemia, the weakness is there. So we should take the diet which is rich in calcium, phosphorus, iodine and iron to protect us from the different weak bones, tooth decay, goiter and anemia. We will discuss about deficiency diseases due to the lack of various nutrients in our body, like your carbohydrates, fats and protein. So if there is a lack of carbohydrates and fats in our body, if there is a lack of carbohydrates or fats in our body, means our food is not rich in the nutrients like carbohydrates and fats, then our body will not get sufficient energy to do various activities. So our body becomes weak. We will feel weakness is there. If there is a lack of protein in our body, if there is a lack of proteins in our food for a long time, it can causes the stunted growth, means the growth will not be in the proper way. The stunted growth will be there. After that, there is a discoloration of hair. The hair will not be black in color, there will be brown or the white in color. There is the swelling on face. Swelling on face. These are the symptoms due to the lack of protein in our diet for a longer time. After that, there is a skin diseases and diarrhea. So these are the symptoms if our food is not enriched with the protein rich diet. Now if there is a lack of carbohydrate and protein both in our diet, means due to lack of carbohydrates and proteins in our diet, then a person becomes very weak. It becomes weak, lean and thin, and he is not able even to move. He is not able even to move because carbohydrates and fat provide energy to our body for different activities. So we should take a diet that is rich in different nutrients. Eating food is not sufficient. We should eat the balanced diet. We should take the balanced diet which has the adequate amount of carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals.